We'll guide you through how to make a potion of night vision in Minecraft. If you find this guide useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. First of all, you'll need 3 glass bottles and then fill them with water like so. Now you'll need to have a crafting table and a brewing stand. So come to a crafting table, and what you need is a blaze rod, and place that on your crafting table to get blaze powder. You get blaze rods from blazes. Then come into the brewing stand and put your bottles of water in there, and you can then go and place your blaze powder in there as well. Then what you need to do is first of all stop by putting the nether wart in the brewing stand. While that brews, come to a crafting table, and what you need to make is a golden carrot. So place 1 golden ingot in there to get some golden nuggets, surround the middle place with golden ingots and put the carrot in there to get the golden carrot. And then all you need to do is go and put the golden carrot in the brewing stand. And just like that, you've now got night vision. To make them last longer, you can go and add redstone dust. And that's it. If you guys found this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video.